Let's check this thing out. You guys gotta check this ride out. This thing is absolutely wicked. You guys see this? This thing is absolutely crazy cool. That new taillight's badass. It blinks 3 times and then stays solid. And very bright. That's from Eagle Lights. I think we'll be checking out one of those. Let's run through Watkins Mill here. What a beautiful night. Kind of hard to pass it up. Got a family over here. Family over there trying to take, looks like a Christmas picture, and the little ones aren't cooperating. I remember those days. All right, let's run through the rest of Watkins Mill here. I guess Mayhem Mike's back in the shop, so we're start working our way back. Go across the wood bridge. Sick. Everybody make a complete stop. wave going on.
Look at that sunset. What a beautiful sunset. Look at that. What a beautiful night. Temperature's starting to drop.
What a wonderful day. What a nice ride it was. Well, I guess it's time to put the queen spike to sleep. It got dark. There's the boys. Hi. There's Daddy's boys. Watch out. Hi. 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 That big boy. That Zeusy boy. That Zeusy boy. That big boy. Hi. That big boy. That Zeusy boy. Hi. Come on. Let Dad put this bike away, okay? Yep. That was a good ride. Man. Had some good times there running out of town there, going to meet up with Cowboy. Hang out with him and the guys for a little bit, go for a ride. The temperature's starting to drop. It's getting a little chilly out now. But other than that, it was a good time. The sunset was pretty. You guys enjoy this weather right now. Watch for the leaves, because they are absolutely everywhere, and people want to blow them in the street as well, so just be careful. But for that, man, you all keep two wheels rolling. Stay blessed. Catch you soon.